Good morning!
Good morning!
Morning guys!
This is
Morning
Spartalita.
people! Kamusta na kayo? And yan, for today's vlog, what is our today's vlog?
Wait, I know it. Wait, what's the name again?
Togol naman? Ay nako. We're going to Den Haag.
I know that.
Han is south, right?
Yeah, south right.
So it's in
Why
the
did
south
I not
of
bring
the
my
Netherlands.
world book. I have a world book, you know.
Anyway, so last year, actually nakita ko pala last year. 2021, 2022, I think. Parang ganon. This time, May, nag-travel kami sa UK. Now, we're going to Den Haag kasi I need to apply for my UK visa. Obviously, si Alec and si Albert, they don't need to apply visa because they have a Dutch passport. But for me, since I have my Philippine passport, I need a visa to UK because UK is not part of Europe anymore. Europe country, panahan? Union something.
It's not part of EU.
Yeah, it's a part of Europe, but it's not an EU anymore. So, they have a separate visa. So, we're going there to apply for my UK visa. And, sasama kasi kami kay Albert sa summer vacation. Bakasyon si Alec. Meron siyang work
pizza
doon.
or a fake pizza?
Fake pizza.
Yeah.
So, may work siya kasi sa UK. So, makakasama kami ni Alec kasi sa summer siya. So, first time namin ni Alec na makakapunta sa Den Haag. Diba?
It's my first time.
Even me, it's my first time. Si Albert lagi na napunta doon kasi may work siya doon. Anyway, we'll see what we'll see sa Den Haag later.
There's so much world I didn't go yet.
So
Never.
much world?
Yeah, world. Like,
Place, country.
yeah.
But you've been to so many country, Alec, di ba?
Yeah, but not all of them.
Yeah,
so,
of course, it's too much to go all.
Yeah.
Anyway, later guys.
Later.
We'll see you later, alligators.
See you later, alligator.
Dito na kami sa Den Haag after 2 hours and a half. And it's raining. It's nice. It's not sunny. Kasi nakakasilaw yung sun dito eh. So, Alec, you're ready? And it's cold.
I'm ready.
Palang Den Haag, may mga high-rise building. Sabi ni Alec, oh, are we back in Dubai, Mami? Ayun, oh. Parang nasa Amsterdam ka pala. It's like you're in Amsterdam. There's like lots of high-rise building here in Den Haag.
I feel like I'm in Dubai.
Yun, oh.
Let's just...
I feel like we're in
Mommy,
Dubai.
let's just call this
Den
country
Haag
Dubai,
Central.
okay?
That's Den Haag Central.
No, it's Dubai.
Puro high-rise building pala dito sa Den Haag. So this is north and totally different the weather here kasi dun sa Oosterwolde guys, sunny at saka mainit. Dito cloudy and it's raining. So sabi ni Albert, normally ang south is mas mainit, pero since siguro nga this global warming, climate change you say, ang ganda ng building, ang taas. So, ngayon baliktad sa south malamig, tapos dun sa north, kung nasan kami, dun mainit.
It's a building so
Dito na kami sa may
clear.
Den Haag Central.
Guys,
Ang lamig dito,
oh
gabi.
my gosh. Guys,
Saan?
I don't know why there's so much buildings that's like only glass.
Only glass.
Yeah, only glass.
So,
you know?
we're
Like,
going. Yan, tapos na kami sa visa application. Now, we're gonna go for lunch. Siyempre, buhat yan. Ang laki na tong Den Haag Station. Parang siyang Amsterdam's, guys. Amsterdam. Ay, nako. Parang siyang Amsterdam. Mahal din, sabi ni Albert. But, ang daming may nakita akong ramen restaurant, ganun. Tapos, ano pa ba? Check ako ng Filipino supermarket dito. Lawang ng ang taas ng mga building dito. Para kami nasa Dubai. So, meron dito yung college university, Leiden University College, The Hague. But I heard, nababasa ko kasi sa news, dito medyo mas maraming crime. Kasi mix na rin dito, parang Amsterdam, iba-iba, expat. Mixed nationality. Kasi nga, big city siya. Even kahit saan ka magpunta rito, they speak English. So, it's okay if you don't speak Dutch in this area. Because most people are speaking English here. O, diba? High-rise building. Alec, it's like we're in Dubai, no? And, saan tayo? Vegan walk. Lapit namin sa Centrum. Alam mo, pag napunta ka dito, totally different. Parang nasa ibang city ka. Wala ka sa Netherlands. Kasi, yung mga building dito, very modern. So, hindi siya kagaya sa Amsterdam na yung typical Dutch architecture. Which also nice. Parang, yun nga, parang nagpunta sa ibang lugar. Parang wala ka sa Netherlands. But, expensive. Mahal din dito. Diyos ko, ang parking namin ang mahal. But anyway, walang choice eh. Nandito kasi yung apply ng visa. So, accidentally, nag-check ako sa Google. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo yung flag ng Pilipinas. Yan, yung supermarket. Toko ang tawag nila dito pag Philippine supermarket. So, we'll enter there. So, ayan guys. Pilipinas. Toko Pilipinas. Ang pangalan niya. Ria, name ko, Ria. Tofu Heaven. Ayan, inabutan na kami ng ulan. Weather forecast, sabi, sunny, dry. Yeah, welcome to the Netherlands. Unpredictable weather. Bigla na lang naulan. Alec, how's your ramen?
Good.
Ang sarap ng ramen, guys. Alam mo, pag napunta kayo sa Den Haag, ito Takumi ang name ng restaurant. Promise. At saka mura siya, in fairness. Mas mura siya sa Wagamama. Busog-lusog talaga kami. Han, how's your ramen?
Very good. Better than
Sarap.
Wagamama.
Yeah, diba?
Cheaper also.
Yeah, it's cheaper than Wagamama, right? And it's more choices of ramen na yan, nakita nyo. At ang sarap ng ano nila. Ano yun, Han? Takoyaki. And first time kong kumain ng seaweed salad, guys. Ang sarap, promise. And then, tumikim din ako ng kimchi. Yan na nga. Ayan, umuulan. Papatila kami ng ulan. Kasi, isa lang dala namin payong. Wala kaming dalang kapote. Si Alec walang kapote. Normal jacket lang, yung jeans. So, medyo nilalamig siya. So, yan. Hintay kami tuloy ng tumila ang ulan. Wawa naman si Alec. So, yan. Nandito kami sa parang loob ng mall. Kakain lang kami ng dessert eh. Ewan ko ba't kami napunta rito. Nandito lahat ng mga brand. Body Shop, Eco, Mango. Mga branded na shop na dito. And, just ko 3 minutes pa magwawalk. Pag that one is not nice, I swear I will kick your ass. Why you have to walk so far just to eat dessert? You hide. Parang mall pala to, yung pinasukan namin na yun. And another 3 minutes just to eat dessert. Ay, nakarating kami. What's this? Het is can bend something. Tignan natin kung masarap. Pag ito talaga, hindi masarap po. Kukuting ito sa Pet Albert. How's the ice cream?
Yum.
Is it worth to walk here all the way?
Can I try yours, Mommy?
Yeah. Let's try.
Ito yung king.
Can I try yours?
Yeah, anak.
Okay.
Ang sarap nga. Ay, masarap nga yung ice cream, guys. So, ano ko. Tag dito, hindi ko mambibig ko. Because Albert is right. It's very nice ice cream here. In Den Haag.
The coffee.
So, yan yung view. Makikita nyo. Maganda siya, guys. It's mas, maganda yung city. Talaga, dapat, kung pupunta kayo sa Netherlands, ilagay nyo sa bucket list nyo ang Den Haag. Kasi worth it siyang puntahan. Maganda siya. So, ito yung view sa labas. Nakatakain na kami ng ice cream. So, Albert said this is one of the expensive city in the
Yeah,
Netherlands.
and the government spent a lot of money on the maintenance of the buildings and the skyline, and it's really kind of a modern architecture here.
Oh, yeah. And this one, guys, nakita nyo, ang ganda. Ngayon pupunta kami sa, saan tayo? Where are we going, Han? Palace?
Palace.
Palace.
we're gonna have a look at this one palace. Sabi ni Albert, Queen used to live there. And nice, oh. The skyline in here, it's more nice than Amsterdam. And, guys, dito, hindi mo maaamoy ang cannabis. Not like in Amsterdam. Pag naglakad ka sa Amsterdam, amoy na amoy talaga doon. Dito, no. And it's very, very clean here. Amsterdam is clean, but not so clean like not like here in Den Haag. What hotel, Han? Ah, ito daw yung one of the expensive hotel here, Voco. Voco. It's V, so you say it Voco. Parang ano yung paggagawa, oh. Wonder how much the price here. And
IHG Hotel.
Okay.
It was good. But it was nice to go. That's something else in Holiday Inn.
Yeah, it's nice, no? Ito na pala kami, guys. What's the name of the palace, Han? Noord-Einde. Noord-Einde. Yung may gold. Ayan, guys. Usap natin. Ganda. Stuck in pressure bar. But it's closed, no? You cannot enter.
In a sense, like you cannot enter.
Yeah. But is someone living there or not anymore? Now it's empty. Ayan, nandito kami sa side na kung nasaan yung mga embassy. Nakita ko yung embassy ng Estonia, embassy ng Spain there. Ito yung building na yan, dikit-dikit. Iba-ibang embassy. And embassy of... alam ko nandito rin ang Philippine Embassy sa Den Haag pero I'm not sure. Hindi pa ako na deal sa Philippine Embassy here sa Netherlands. Sri Lanka Embassy pala yun. Pupunta kami, may isa pang palace daw, sabi ni Albert. So, check, pupunta kami doon, check namin. Ang ganda ng lugar talaga, promise. Ibang-iba sa sobrang iba sa Amsterdam. But still it's a city. Pero ang ganda, linis. Wala, since na nag-arrive kami rito kanina, I did not smell anything. I did not smell any cannabis. Nothing. And not like in Amsterdam kasi diba sa Amsterdam, you can smell the things. Here, no. Nothing, right? Nakarating na kami. Ito na yung isang palace na sinasabi ni Albert. Oh, ang laki. Wait lang. Kukuhanan natin ng malaki, guys. Oh, laki ng castle, oh. No, but not it's only by look, oh. May mga nagkukuha. Ang laki ng castle. Ito siya. And what's the name of this palace again?
Vredespaleis.
So, palace of what? For whom?
Peace Palace.
Huh?
Peace Palace.
What do you mean Peace Palace?
That's the name.
Yeah, but for whom? Who's living there?
The administrative building of the international law
Okay.
in The Hague, the Netherlands.
Okay.
It houses the International Court of Justice, which is the principal judicial body of the United Nations.
Ang ganda niya. Oh, ang laki. Grabe, guys. Pag nakita niyo siya sa ang close up, ang laki. Tapos may mga nagkukuha din.
So it's the Court of Justice. So highly secured.
Yeah, highly secured nga. See, yung mga security, ang dami. And yan, pauwi na kami. Ay, nakatawa na naman yung bata. Nakita nyo guys, nakabili ko ng I'm so happy kasi I bought daing na bangus for the first time. Yay! Meron available yung boneless daing na bangus doon. And I got, ano ba yun?
Because I don't see those things.
I got peewee. And then, I got peanuts. And then, nakabili ako ng Graham crackers para makagawa ako ng krema. Kaong. O, diba? So, I'm happy. And our visa application went smooth. It's very quick. Good thing here, wala masyado nag-apply, syempre. Except for the Asian passport. Yes, nice. And how's your experience in Den Haag?
Good.
Did you like yung castle?
Yeah, and I actually wanted this one. See, I wanted the small one.
Ay, nako. And yun na nga, sabi ko nga kanina, if you're gonna visit Netherlands, you must see Den Haag. It's so nice. Gandang maglakad, malinis, and walang smell ng cannabis. You don't smell that one at all here. Super clean. Tapos parang ang nasa ibang lugar. It doesn't, kasi ibang-iba sa structure ng Netherlands, 'di ba? Dito kasi parang sobrang modern ng mga building, and lahat ng, if you want to do also shopping, it's also good to shop here because they have a big Apple store, Mango, H&M, Breitling. Sa mga makeup stores, skincare, everything is here. So, yes, it's so nice. We really enjoy here. And the ramen, yung kinainan namin ramen, guys, grabe, ang sarap and mura siya. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. And then yung Filipino supermarket, yun nga nakabili ako. Wala silang masyadong choice na mabibili. Syempre dito, Diyos ko, ang gourmet tuyo ang mahal, so hindi ako bumili. Imagine, 9 euro isang bottle ng gourmet tuyo. Hindi na ako bumili. Bumili na ako ng toyo at suka, yung parang yung magkasama, yung offer. And what else pa ba yung binili namin? Ayun nga, yung piwi. And yun, masaya ko, yung daing na bangos. Even though, it's a bit expensive, of course. It's 8.10 euro, no, Han, yung milk fish. But it's okay. I just bought two. I'm gonna put in the freezer. So, I can eat the milk fish. And yan na nga. And, Alec, you say bye-bye to the guys.
Bye-bye to the guys.
Bye-bye to the... Thank you for watching for our vlog today. Our trip in Den Haag. So, it's actually 2 hours and a half from the north. Kasi sa north kami nakatira. And 2 hours and a half pa uwi. So, now pa uwi kami. We need 2 hours and a half to go home. Lek? Okay. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for
Tita
watching.
Tinka. See you again.
Yeah, yeah.
See you again. O, sige na. Bye-bye na guys.